Let's talk Tesla, specifically about a product that you can use with any standard floor jack to help keep your Tesla safely lifted while performing routine maintenance such as tire rotations. Now, there's already products out there such as the Ren stands, but the Ren stands, they cost $225 each, way too much for a product that you're only going to use a couple times a year. Now, you could go with your traditional jack stands, but jack stands, they scratch your garage floor, they're a pain to put under the Tesla, and then you got to find a place to store them when you're not using them. Now, if you're like me and you're looking for a product that's economical, also easy to store, and adds that extra bit of security to help keep your Tesla safely lifted, I got a product for you. So this is called the Jack Rod, and it's made by a company called AGM Products, and it's listed on the AGM website for $109. I'll leave a link in the video description below. So as you can see how small and compact this is so small that you can actually fit this in a standard garage storage drawer. So it may be small and compact, but it is quite hefty and really well built. And this one is rated up to 3.5 tons if you use the safety cross pin. And this safety pin is similar to what you would find in your standard floor jacks. So to use this, it's really simple. So right here, I just have a standard Harbor Freight 3-ton Daytona low-profile floor jack that I use on the Teslas. So all I do is remove the pin. You put the bottom of the jack rod right against the axle here of your floor jack. You press this lever right here, and it's spring loaded. Automatically will go up and lock into the bar underneath what the part that supports the car. And normally you'd have a lot of weight on this, so it would be a lot tighter locked in. And you can always lower it and raise your floor jack to kind of maneuver it into a better spot. So what you do then is you just lock it into place, and right now you have added support. So again, this is rated to 3.5 tons, and it's actually made to be used kind of in lieu of floor jacks. Now, would I trust it? I don't know, but what I'm using it for is strictly just to give myself kind of that, I guess, extra security and extra safety net. So in case my floor jack fails while I'm lifting up one side of the Tesla, then at least I know this is going to prevent the car from crashing down. So to remove it, it's just as simple. You pull out the pin. Now you could either raise your jack up and just pull this out, or you could press your lever, lower it, release it, it locks back in, and it's removed, and then you would just lower your car as normal. Easy as that. All right, since we're talking about lifting the Tesla, figured I'd just let you guys know which lifting pucks I use. So I actually use a product by CZ Industries Inc., made in Michigan, and I found these on eBay. I'll leave a link in the video description below. So originally I purchased the standard Amazon pack of 4 hard rubber plastic lifting pucks, and the first time I used them, all I could see was them just compressing under the weight of my Model S, and I got kind of scared because I didn't know what was going to happen with these. You know, if they're compressing, to me they're useless. I didn't know if they were going to shoot out the floor jack or something bad was going to happen. So that's what made me stumble across these, and these are beautiful. These right here are made out of aircraft aluminum, and they have a engineering plastic on top that act as a barrier between the aluminum on the puck and your lifting point. And then they have this part that goes up into your lifting holes with the O-rings. So these right here are a lot higher quality than those cheap Amazon ones that you can find. So these ones were marketed to use on the Model S, but I've had no problem using them on my Model Y, and they also fit the Model 3 as well. So definitely these cost $49.99, so $50 for a set of 4, and they're not that much more expensive than those plastic rubber ones that you can find on Amazon, but definitely these will last you longer, and they will definitely make you feel more comfortable while you're lifting your Tesla. So figured I'd let you guys know. Thanks guys. I hope you found this video informational, and I hope I helped introduce you to a product that maybe you didn't hear of before and may help you feel safer while you're lifting your Tesla, while you're doing your tire rotations or any other routine maintenance. And please feel free to use my referral code if you're new to Tesla. Save yourselves $500 off any model Tesla right now, and I'll get some Tesla referral codes for some Tesla swag. All right, guys, take care, thanks, and I'll see you next time.